Fresh up out the gym, why the hell I feel like I'm camping out in this motherfucker? Ain't even nobody out here to camp out against.
You sure about that?
Oh, never mind. It's like I lied. New York problem. Damn. Windshield wiper gonna have to do. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I noticed my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Snow day, well, no, this ain't really a snow day, but yeah, it did snow a little bit out here. There we go. And defrost if you don't mind. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So today I'm scooping up the Jordans. This is not a well, it is gonna be a Jordan because we are gonna have a discussion. But I am scooping them joints up. Did the whole full size run. I was able to hit Foot Locker for me, Baby Wave, Lil Wave. I had to go to like City Jeans or whatever that place is across the street. They had his pair, and now I'm about to go get a pair for my rib. And looking up here, is that a Delta? Random thought. Yo, I love when it's like, let's say 5 to 8 days before I'm going to DR and I look up and I see the Delta airplane. Because you can see it makes me smile. But anyway, but yeah, man, so we're going to do that. And yes, I've seen the Jordan 6, not varsity red. They're slated to drop. I was hyped when I first saw it, but we'll discuss why the hype kind of like dwindled down. But I mean, a win is a win, yes. And we'll figure it out. But yeah, we'll definitely talk about that. But let me just heat up this ride. Oh yeah, it's All-Star weekend today too. Oh yeah, my Knicks looking yeah. But anyway, yo, let me go grab some libations. I know I said last week was my last week, but technically it's gonna be this week because then I can start my 60 before the what? Yeah, I remember somebody had asked me because they saw that I was walking under the 4 line the other day. That's where that shooting happened right there. That's Mount Hope. That's that stop. That ain't where I was though at that time.
Yeah. I heard my dad say, Jesus, take the wheel on this coke run. Make me a millionaire as soon as the low's done. I was a baby. So as I lay me down to sleep, I pray to me. Yo, dropping drug money in the offering plate. We were losing our souls.
Hey, let me know what y'all think about these joints right here. I keep eyeing them. These are alright. These are like a girl or something. These joints are alright. Nope. I'm anthracites again. Yeah. You got them Barclays. Oh, I didn't even know them shits dropped. Anyway, let me pick up my joints. But before we do that, gotta give me something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Or... Damn, this joint packed too, that's wild. Supposed to be out there. It's the mango lemonade. I ain't never had it. You know me, large fry. Nuggets. Kind of cheap with the ketchup and mayo. One. Come on.
Drug money in the offering plate. I was losing my soul, they were calling me great. Fuck. Y'all idolize the wrong shit. Rental cars through Baltimore with Florida place. Draft bleed my neck cell when they deported Jose. If I'd have left an hour later, I'd been caught in the raid. Find it uncomfortable to thank the Lord to this day. You know me, Lord of the safe, hogging the space. Nice house with a garden, a lake. Throwing parties in the spot, dog in the place.
Yeah, that's what's banging. Yo, this is the first Chick-fil-A I've ever been to in New York. Because I always figured that they'd be real rude or something. Because you know down south they be like, yo, it's a pleasure. But they on that, it's respectable here too. And across the street from the projects. But I remember, yo, I used to go looking at, like if I be down by in Manhattan. I was like, oh, Chick-fil-A. I'm like, I don't know. But yo, we get one on Fordham. Hype. Anyway, man, all that Jordan's house. Sheesh. 3 bags. 3.
You gotta find somebody else to eat off of. I'm paying every time you fuck up. Y'all been out here taking free losses. How will you ever learn if every time you turn you see me handing you freebies? This can't be life. What's that on your neck? That can't be ice. I really know you, and I understand what you go through, trying to fit in, thinking they won't accept you for who you are. I went down that same road for too long. Come on, master your role, attract what you need. The worst things you can mix is passion and greed, and we all know you crash when you speed.
All right, we're back. So, y'all saw I was in Foot Locker or whatever, grabbing my sneaks. I got every single sneak that I needed to get. Well, I got every single Jordan 4 that I needed to get, and definitely got mine. If you haven't seen my on foot, check that on foot, and I show why I am top 3 best on foot on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And I still got the raffle going for a $100 gift card at Into the AM. Use my discount code WAVY80 or the link in the description below and save. But anyway, yo, when I was up in the liquor store, picked up that 1792 Sweet Weed. Shout out to my guy Tech Kicks. I cracked it open. I'm gonna say you one that's cracked open, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Got your 2-week head start. Nah, I'm playing. Pause if you have to on the cracked open. But yeah, vanilla, caramel. I don't know. I'm gonna have to holler at you because you be fine. You be like, yo, it was like plum, peach, and shit. I was like, I don't know, but hey, yeah, this is smooth. I can't wait for this joint to sit for a while. Matter of fact, starting my 60-day no drink now, and I got that Voodoo Ranger. I usually don't like these these juicy IPAs or whatever this joint is, the tropical IPA, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It is okay. I'm not really a fan, but you have to on that. But anyway, crack this open right quick. It's my last night drinking, man. Who's participating in a 60-day cleanse? Well, let me know. So anyway, man, a discussion I wanted to talk about was the Air Jordan 6 Reds that are supposed to be dropping. We want varsity Reds. We want varsity Reds. So I was hyped when I first saw them. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, oh shit. You know, somebody sent me the photo, but then I was like, man, let me not get too hyped. Let me sit back and wait. I need to see the real pic. All of a sudden, not even like about an hour later, they've already tweaked it a bit.
Looking more like Freddie Jackson.
I'm seeing some of the color blocking, like more of a light gray or smoke black, like they're trying to DMP Raptor these joints. I'm not as hyped. Somebody did say, shout out to you, somebody did say that they would do the whole Angelus and, you know, paint the lighter parts black. I can see that, but at the end of the day, it is not a varsity red. This is a university red that I feel Nike's kind of turning these into like a reverse something. 6s, even though they're my favorite, but I'm starting to see, you know, that they get like a bad rap. Like cats be like, nah, them, you know, whatever, man. That's MJ first title. That was my first Jordan. Like, so I always got love for them joints, for real. Let me know, are y'all gonna go after them? These are supposed to drop holiday 2024. Only thing I'm worried about is, will I be out the country at that time? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, I definitely, I'll cop. I'm thinking about just, nah, I wouldn't do that. Using it for like a soul swap, but I don't think I would do that. I would rather like paint. But as far as the 6s go, bad rap. I'm not even looking for them to sell out. I don't care about that whole sellout shit. You know what I'm saying? That ain't me. Rock what you like, and when you step out, as long as your phone gets an extra number in it, that's, well, whatever. As long as you're happy with the extra number that you got in your phone, so be it. You know what I'm saying? I've been looking at a couple pairs of, and let me know what y'all thought about the 9060s. I saw them twice and I was kind of like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really trying to jump on that wave too tough because I see what they're trying to emulate a little bit, and it's not like I'm trying to get like the cloth version of the, you know, the fly whip with those, but that colorway's alright. And I'm also looking at the indigo blue, and Joyce alright too. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Shout out to Kingpins. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.